Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 12 for the Vlogmas series that I've been doing throughout the month of December. And today is episode 9 of my top 5 favorite makeup products or beauty products. So today we're going to be talking all about face primers. Okay, in 5th place we have the Too Faced Hangover Face Primer. This was probably one of the first face primers that I've ever used. I really did enjoy it. I'll have a picture of it right here because I actually don't have it anymore, but I did really enjoy that product. Next we have the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with Niacinamide. This one is actually my favorite. I actually do love both of them. I do like this one a little bit more than the original Power Grip Primer. So good. I really do love this primer. And then in 3rd place we have the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I have the mini size. I love this primer, and it is a moisturizer as well, I think. Is it? I think so. I love the smell too. Normally I don't like fragrance in my skincare or in my makeup, but this is okay. I normally don't like fragrance in my skincare or in my makeup and skincare. Okay, in 2nd place we have the One Size Secure the Sweat Face Primer. I love this face primer for my oily skin. It is so nice. The only thing is I do have to like when I put it away, or when I have to keep it flat because it does kind of leak, so I have to put it flat. I can't have it like upright like this, which is a little bit annoying, but it's okay. I do really like this face primer. And in 1st place, I have tried the other version of this face primer, and I do like that one as well. That's not in this list, but I do really like it too. So in 1st place is the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. I love this primer. I only apply it in the T-zone, and it is amazing. This is probably really the best primer I've ever used. Okay, so that was all of my top 5 favorite face primers. See you guys tomorrow for day 13, where we are going to be talking all about foundation. Bye!